Understanding vitamin D and its role.
Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that helps your body absorb calcium, supporting strong bones, muscles, and immune health. You get vitamin D from sunlight, certain foods, and supplements. When levels are low, your body may not function at its best. Learning to spot the signs of vitamin D deficiency can help you protect your overall well-being.
Common physical symptoms.
People with vitamin D deficiency often notice physical signs such as persistent fatigue, muscle weakness, and bone or joint pain. You might also experience bone fractures more easily or feel general aches throughout your body. If these symptoms linger despite good rest and nutrition, it may be worth checking your vitamin D status.
Mood and immune system effects.
Low vitamin D can impact your mood and immunity. Some people report increased feelings of depression, low motivation, or mood swings. Frequent colds, infections, or slow healing may also be linked to lower vitamin D levels, as this vitamin helps the immune system fend off illness.
Who's most at risk?
Certain groups are more likely to develop vitamin D deficiency. This includes people with limited sun exposure, older adults, those with darker skin, and individuals who follow strict vegetarian or vegan diets. People with medical conditions that affect nutrient absorption, like Crohn's disease, are also at higher risk.
Simple steps to address deficiency.
If you suspect a vitamin D deficiency, consult a healthcare provider for testing and advice. You can boost your levels by spending time in sunlight, eating fortified foods, fatty fish, and eggs, or taking supplements if needed. Maintaining healthy vitamin D supports your bones, mood, and immunity in the long term.